Today we're going to show you how to operate a City Sports folding treadmill. Ours is model number CSWP3 and we're just going to slide it out from under the bed where it's stored when not in use. The first thing I'm going to do is reach over to the front of the treadmill and flip the red switch to turn it on. Now you'll notice that there is an error code on the display, but I'll show you why and how to fix that. This red string thing has a magnet on one end that needs to be placed somewhere on the treadmill. This will get the error code to be removed. And the reason for that is that when you tie the other end around your body or hang it somewhere on yourself while you use the treadmill, and if you were to suddenly slip or stumble for whatever reason, the treadmill will stop as soon as that magnetic end separates from the treadmill. Next, I'm going to take the remote control, remove the tab from the back where it is inside the battery chamber, and once I do that, I can use the remote to start up the treadmill and control the speed, or I can also just use the buttons on the panel on the bar as well. So here I'm on the treadmill and I'm gradually ramping up the speed using the plus sign on the remote, but I could also just press the plus sign on the panel on the bar as well. And now let's have a brief listen to hear how loud the treadmill is, especially as I ramp up the speed. So the treadmill actually runs extremely quiet on the low setting while I'm walking, but as I ramp up the speed and start walking faster, my feet get heavier on the treadmill and that's when it gets a bit louder. And now I'm going to step off the treadmill so we can ramp it up to its full potential. The reason why I'm not running on the treadmill to show this to you is that at full speed, of course, I'm just not fully in shape to do that. This treadmill is actually pretty powerful and maxes out at a whopping 7.8 miles per hour, which translates to 12 kilometers per hour.